Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the freedomgear.org channel. At freedomgear.org, we sell the highest quality solvent trap kits, adapters, and muzzle devices on the market, as well as other survival supplies. If you have not checked us out in a while, we highly encourage you to do so, as we are adding new product offerings all the time. Today I'm going to be reviewing our latest products, which are now available with custom Cerakote finishes. If you're not familiar with Cerakote, let me explain what it is. Cerakote is a type of ceramic coating that is often used to provide a durable and protective finish for arms, knives, and other metal objects. It's a thin film coating that is applied by spraying, dipping, or brushing onto the surface of the object, and then it is cured through a heat treatment process. Since launching the Cerakote series solvent trap kits, we've had some customers ask us if they can send us their arms and see if we can match the schema. And the answer to that is no, we're not a full customization shop. However, if you have a photo of something that you currently have and you would like to see if we can match it, we can take a look and see what we can do. You can send that photo to info@freedomgear.org. Another question that we received is, what is the product durability like after completing the Cerakote finish? And the answer to that will be given in a follow-on video where we do a scratch test side by side. In this video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the process of Cerakoting. So as you can see, we have to first sandblast the tubes, and we have to do a thorough cleaning, a dry cleaning, and then a scrub them to remove any sand and any debris that may be left behind. At that point, the tubes must be extremely dry and clean from all debris, otherwise the paint will not adhere. After we're complete with that process, we can go ahead and paint the tubes. For our paint colors, if we have a scheme such as a camouflage, we must first do a base coat and then bake it for 20 minutes. This allows the paint to harden enough to where we can handle the tubes without causing any blemish to the original paint color. And from there we can come back after the 20 minutes, handle the tubes, and complete the paint process. Here are a few pictures of the completed tubes that we have done, and if you would like to see more, please check out freedomgear.org and select one of the products. From there you can choose the scheme that you're interested in and make the purchase. Upon completion, we will send you a photo so you know exactly what you're getting before we ship it. Thank you for checking out our video and have a great day.